I can get in there.
You're gonna have to turn sideways to hit it at all. Okay. I will. That's blowing out the light.
Well, then we get the faster
Get there. Get next to the door there. I can shoot it from here. You don't need to open it.
Open it. I'm out of water.
Alright, let's dump that and see how dirty it is. Oh, flush that toilet first because they left a bunch of toilet paper in there this morning.
Go flush it.
You don't want to clog it up.
Oh boy.
Hold on. Whoa, watch out, it's slick. That pre-spray.
It's ammonia.
Yeah, that pre-spray is slick. Hey, let that go through and then dump it.
It's pretty dark. It's like black coffee. Yeah, be careful on the floors, they're slick. I hope there's enough water.
Let me pause it and you can go fill it back up. I'm going to pause this for a second. We'll be right back.
More water. Okay, that right there is one pass cleaning with the rug doctor, and it was dirty. I don't know if the camera shows it because it's real dark in here, but it was extremely dirty.
It probably shows. That was
So that's one pass.
This is an apartment that we clean basically once a month, and they get their apartment vacuumed. We vacuum their apartment, and we go over their carpets real quick once a month. Sometimes we bonnet clean it. Sometimes we do the rug doctor. It rained for a whole week, and they couldn't take their dog out, so we decided to go ahead and just run the rug doctor because they've had a lot of pet messes and stuff. But the pre-spray kind of got rid of a lot of it.
Yeah.
Now on the pre-spray, what do we have? We had
straight ammonia.
Did you put any other?
I put ammonia in. I put about, I don't know, 32 ounces of ammonia in with 2 gallons of water.
Okay, and there's probably a little bit of maybe a little bit of our usual pre-spray that was still in the thing when it started.
Not very much. Now, whenever when you use ammonia, it smells. So what you want to do is
open your doors and windows.
You want to spray the carpets down, and then you want to leave the room and give it 5 minutes to dissipate.
Pull that bucket off and let me just show what's inside of it. I won't show it getting dumped again.
It's not ready to get dumped yet.
Yeah, he's going to go over.
It's black dirt.
Don't shake it.
It's safe. It's black dirt.
Yeah, it's pretty dark.
You don't see no soap in there either.
No. Oh, those rust looking spots in that tank, they're permanent. We can't get them out with anything.
No, they've been there for 5 years.
I think we were doing an apartment one time and they had like Brasso in the carpet.
And it stained it.
Yeah, they were like doing crack and stuff in that apartment.
What I'm going to do is this. When I'm done, if I got water machine, I can either run it down the bathtub or I can flush it out in the carpet. This carpet could use a flushing out.
Yeah, he's just going to go over it.
I'm just going to run it out here and we can get it on video.
Yeah. Well, yeah, go ahead and do it quickly,
though. I'll do the dirtiest areas, the traffic lanes, and run the water out on the traffic lane areas.
Boy, we never did dust that off. This rug doctor got dusty. Wherever you think the worst area is.
The traffic lane. Always do the traffic lane. Yeah, if you ever have to run your water out, go over the traffic lane and go over it again. That's the place that'll need it the most.
Down to the back door. Now, one thing we love about the rug doctor is it cleans right up, if you hold it on there, it cleans right up to the edge. It's got full width clean because the brush is full width. And so you don't have those gaps on the side. The new rug doctor machine they came out with, people are asking me about it, and if you go look at the reviews on Amazon for their newest one, lots of people complain about the fact it doesn't edge clean. The Bissell Big Green doesn't edge clean either. And that's the problem with a lot of machines. The only one that comes close is the Hoover Steamback because it has the, what do you call those things? The little scrubbing brushes underneath the spin. I can't remember the spin scrub. And they go almost to the edge too, but the rug doctor gets a little bit closer. And it leaves the carpets where they'll be dry pretty quick too. A lot of people complain that it overwets the carpets, but it doesn't if you run it right. Yeah, these carpets are really, really old and deteriorated, and they have a pet, and they have lots of spills and other things too, so these carpets are definitely in need of replacement, and there's no carpet protectant left. These carpets are probably 14 years old. There's absolutely no carpet protection, and the carpets are so worn down you can't do much with them. You can make them look lighter, but they're still completely worn out. I think you put in more water than you intended to.
It's alright. Well, I put a lot of water in on purpose to really go over this.
That's the sound when it's empty.
That's the sound of going home. Always try to run for 20 seconds or so if you can to get any excess water out of the vacuum line. That way it doesn't trip out. Not the machine drips, so.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and end the video here. We just got to dump this out and leave. And the areas here where it looks like it's a little bit different color because he went over it again, when it dries you're not going to be able to tell that anymore.
Let's show them the water one more time.
Alright,
watch out on the floor.
Yeah, slick floor. Hold on.
Now the good thing about using ammonia as a cleaner is it not only cleans extremely well, but ammonia is like at 11 on the pH scale or whatever, so it's got.
I think it's higher than that.
But it's.
If you want to know, Google it. It may be like 14.5 even. I can't remember.
The good thing about ammonia is it's high on the pH.
It's very high pH, but it doesn't leave a residue.
No, when the ammonia breaks down, which it does, the pH goes away.
Yeah, it doesn't leave a residue in your carpets.
So you're left with no soapy residue.
Right, but it could kill you if you you don't want to sit around breathing it too much.
Well, we put about in a measuring cup, I'd say 2 to 3 cups of ammonia in with 2 gallons of water, and it smells, but. You just let it walk outside and let it sit.
The only reason we did that is because they're going to be gone most of the day.
Yeah. Well,
so they're not going to have to come home.
It only smells
it dissipates.
It smells for 5 minutes and the smell goes away.
All right. Well, we'll be back up here next month unless they move out or something. And we'll do it again. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.